Good morning, students. So here we are going to start this second chapter, that is sexual reproduction in plants. The very first topic of this chapter is structure of flower. So here you can see is displayed the flower, and the various parts of the flower are labeled. This you have read in class 10th, so it is not much difficult. So let us just revise the structure of flower. Okay. Any flower, angiospermic flower, is made up of 4 major parts. Okay. Two of the parts, that is your calyx and corolla, they are known as the accessory or the non-essential parts of the flower. Okay. So coming to the first one, that is calyx. Now what is calyx? It is not displayed here. Okay. But you can see the sepals. Okay. So every flower contains a small green leafy like structure present at the base of the flower, which is called sepal. Okay. Now the word of sepals means the collection of sepals together is known as calyx. Similarly, there are colored leaf like structures which are known as petals. Okay. And the group of petals or the collection of petals in the flower is known as corolla. So since you have come to the class 11th, you need to know this word calyx and corolla. Collection of sepal is known as calyx and collection of petals is known as corolla. Okay, so these are the non-essential part of the flower, or you can say the accessory part of the flower, which help the flower to perform the sexual reproduction. Okay, now the rest two parts. Okay, the rest two parts, you must have heard the word androecium. Androecium is the collection of stamen, and stamen you know is the male part. As you can see here, this male part consists of a filament, and at the top present is the green structure. This is called anther. So anther and filament, they together make stamen. Okay, and the collection of stamen is known as androecium. Coming to the female part of the structure, which is called pistil or carpel. Okay, now pistil is made up of 3 parts. The upper stage like flat part is known as stigma. Then this tube like structure is known as style, and at the base the structure is rounded, swollen, and this rounded swollen structure is called ovary. Okay, so this is the female part of the flower. So see what is the thing. This androecium and gynoecium, okay, they are the modified or they are the specialized leaves of the flower meant to perform reproduction. Okay, so it is clear, I hope, that this carpel or pistil has 3 parts. The base is the ovule, the tube like structure, this tube like structure is known as style, and this platform like structure or stage like structure, which is sticky generally in nature in some flower, is known as stigma. Okay, now within this ovary there are some chambers. Okay, the chambers are known as ovule, which we will see in detail later on. Now this whole part of the ovary which is placed in the structure, this swollen structure is called thalamus. Okay, and this flower, it is attached with the branch with a stalk. So this is a general structure of flower which you have to study.